Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, we discussed how Bitcoin surged by 5.13% from 111,600 to 117,400. After this strong move, the price hovered near the yellow dotted line around 115,800, attempting to establish support. That attempt did not hold, and price stepped down to the blue dotted horizontal level at 114,700, a former area of support and resistance. Here, Bitcoin managed to stabilize and rebound toward the yellow line once more, with the current price sitting around 115,000. At 115,100, the market effectively forced a reset, closing activity from the previous session. The last session gradually migrated upward, moving from 113,000 toward the 115,000 region, where activity was then cut. Interestingly, the anticipated dip to the yellow dotted line at 113,600 never materialized, as buyers stepped in strongly at 114,700. This level has become an important area to watch. On the 15-minute chart, we can see two yellow X markers between 115,700 and 114,700. The first attempt to push the price down succeeded briefly, sending Bitcoin from 115,300 to 114,700. But the second attempt failed, and price momentum shifted back upward. Despite the ongoing battle at these levels, the overall structure suggests that a move higher could be developing. On the 1-hour chart, we may be observing the early stages of a consolidation pattern similar to a bull pennant. If this plays out, we can estimate a potential move of around 2,200, the height of the flagpole from 114,000 to 116,200, placing a possible target in the 118,000 range. Looking at the heat maps, on the 3-day chart, the strongest liquidity cluster remains near 111,500. But there's also notable interest at 117,400. Based on current strength, a move back to 111,500 appears less likely for now, but we will continue to monitor it closely. On the 1-week heat map, the area around 117,400 stands out as significant, with room above to approach 120,000 without encountering heavy resistance. In broader news, a legislative proposal in the Philippines has outlined the creation of a strategic Bitcoin reserve. The plan describes annual allocations of 2,000 Bitcoin for 5 years, totaling 10,000 Bitcoin to be held over a 20-year horizon. The initiative is framed as a way to enhance economic stability and long-term security, underscoring how institutional adoption trends continue to evolve. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time chart chatter. Click the like button if you found value in this video, and subscribe with notifications enabled to all so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.